Uh. Uh.
Hi guys, just Sophie here, and it's that time of year again. We are doing a Pinch Me box unboxing. So we're going to take a look at what Pinch Me sent me. We're going to go through the items really quick and talk about each one of the items. And this time they sent me a hair product. So let's get started. If you're new here and you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Come on now, because I'm judging you. So hit that subscribe button and become part of the MVP family. And so let's get started with today's video. Excuse me for the noise you may hear in the background. My kids are home. But like I always tell you, gotta do what I gotta do. And I do have my air conditioning on. It's warm today, so I wanted to put that on so that I can at least be a little cool under all these lights. So let's get started with today's. Alright, let's get started. Also, you may see a little bit of a bump here. I woke up with this, so I don't know where it came from, how I got it. So I'm just letting you know, don't point it out because I've already said to you that I don't know where it came from. So, okay, let's get started. This is the Pinch Me box, and I get this box, hold it right, I get this box every now and then. What Pinch Me is, it's a service where you are just going on and giving honest reviews to different types of products, hair products, even just household items that you may use, you know, food items, food products. And what you're doing is you're giving just an honest review on those products. And what happens is you build up after doing a certain amount of reviews, and they will send you a box with some free items to test, to try, and also give reviews on those products as well, just so that companies know, you know, how people feel about certain items, about items within their brand. So that's what Pinch Me is all about. It's a free service. You just sign up, give them your email, and then you can start doing just reviews on all different gamut of products. So this is, I must have done or received about 4 boxes, maybe even 6 total so far, and I love all the products that I have tried. Everything has worked really well for me, so I love the Pinch Me items. Okay, we're gonna go through. You're gonna get a box, different sizes, different colors every time, but this is the box that I received for the month of July. And in this, you're gonna receive anywhere from 3 to 4 items. Usually I get 3 items in each box. Now, the first item in here is, this is the Heinz So Delicious Creamy Sandwich Spread. So basically this is a mayonnaise. This is a newer product from the Heinz line, and I'm definitely going to be trying this out, and I will be reviewing back to them and letting them know how I feel about the item, if I really liked it, if it tastes good, and I just give them a review on the items that I tried. So that's the first item. I also received a $50 gift card here for HelloFresh. Basically, HelloFresh is a service that you sign up for, and you can buy prepackaged meals with complete instructions on how to cook the items that are in the box. They have all kinds of items. They have items for pescatarians such as myself. They have vegan and vegetarian options. They have options for those who eat meat and love meat. So what you can do is purchase a box and it'll come with all the items you need to cook a meal, and then you're going to follow the instructions to cook that meal with the items that they send you. Now, I've tried the HelloFresh items before and the food is delicious. I love it. Tasty, easy to make, easy for those people who are not, how do I say, you don't cook. For those who don't really cook a lot but want to try to learn, for all those beginners, this is a amazing service, and they have amazing items for that as well. Now, this one is a $50 gift card. I will use this towards the purchase of some items in the box as well, purchasing a box. So yes, I will be definitely using this. The next item, which I know you guys are probably here for the most, is a hair product. This is the Eva NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 Primer. This is basically an oil, and it has argan oil and sunflower seed oil. Now, it comes in a spray bottle like this. I have used this item already. I was excited, so I tried it out. I basically use this to top off my my wash and goes. I spray it afterwards to give it a little shine. I also will use this before I start with styling with my wash and go as well. It has an amazing smell. Very light, very, not too floral. It just has a really good smell. So I like it just for the smell alone, and spraying it all over my hair for the smell alone. And when I do use this, I use this before or after I style my wash and go, and I'll use it. When I use it before, I will spray it on my scalp and in different areas, and I massage because of the oils that are in it. So this is a great spray oil. I love this stuff a lot. So I will actually go on and purchase a larger bottle of this, and I'm going to give them the most superb review on this item right here. So those are the items that I received in the box. I also received a Next Care Max Hold bandages, which I use this brand. This is the brand that I have for bandages at home. So they sent me one of those with a coupon as well. And I like their bandages because they hold really well. They're very durable. So yes, I'm excited to try the Max Hold waterproof. I've used their waterproof ones before, but not the Max Hold. So I'm, when I need to, I will be trying that as well. Usually probably my kids before me, because they're the ones that always come to me needing a Band-Aid. But we'll be definitely trying this as well. Also in here, they send you a lot of coupons for other items. They sent me a coupon here for free on any one Twisted Ranch flavor salad dressing. This is the salad dressing, and I get one free one. So I will definitely be trying these salad dressings, these dressings here. They have a black pepper parmesan, a cheesy smoked bacon, honey dipped wasabi, garlic smashed potatoes, and a nacho spiked habanero. I will definitely be trying it. I'll probably try the black pepper parmesan one, or maybe the garlic smashed buffalo. I'll be trying one of those, so I definitely will be using this coupon. And usually, one thing I like is when they send the coupons last for a long time. So if I don't use it right away, it's okay, because the coupons last a long time. This coupon here expires January of next year, so I have that long before I have to use that coupon up. Excuse my voice, I'm losing it a little bit, but it is what it is. Also, they sent me a coupon for that creamy mayo from Heinz. I will be using this coupon as well because we are big mayo eaters in our house with sandwiches, especially my kids with sandwiches for school. So definitely will be using that as well. So those are what came in the Pinch Me box. If you have any questions, let me know. I will put the Pinch Me website down below. It is pinchme.com, but I will also put it down below for you guys so you can sign up and start doing reviews and get your own free Pinch Me box. So yes, also just so you know, if when you're on the website, not only reviewing but also trying a few services that for things that they mention on the website, you can also get larger Pinch Me boxes with bigger items as well. So, you know, that's something to consider. A lot of times they'll say, oh, if you sign up for a food service, you know, you can get, you know, a large full-size item in your box next month. So those are things to consider as well. Those are also good things. They have got a lot of great subscription services and different things you can sign up for as well, and then get bigger boxes for doing that as well. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any more questions, let me know. Hit like and subscribe and hit that notification bell because I upload 2 to 3 times a week and you don't want to miss out. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys.